Hello everyone. I welcome you all in my new project. I'm Mopu from Mopu Art. So here you can see the new Spaceship 2 modular pack. So as like the one version, you are seeing here there are 5 spaceship, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all done with the modular asset pack. So you can see here the head part, the body section, the ring, and also the tail part and the engine section. You can see here the spaceship are ready. So the point is you can use these 5 spaceship, or you can modify them according to your needs, and you can arrange and make your own style spaceship by that parts. So this is kind of a Lego system. You can do whatever um, the the whatever the look you want to keep to your spaceship actually. So this is actually non-combative spaceship, and this asset is fully PBR, of course, but this is a non combat vehicle. I mean this is a kind of transport vehicle that is transporting materials from one place to another in the space. And this is very suitable for for RTS and third person settings, but not for the I usually not build it for first person, but you can, of course, you can use it. You can use it for space environment creation or something like that. So yeah, so this is from the Substance Painter. I will continue it in Unity and then the Unreal. Hope you are enjoying this one, and you will be supportive with me, and keep supporting me. So I will continue it in Unity. And last of all, that this asset is coming up with 7 texture set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, the body end, body middle, body one, engine point, head, and ring. So these are the modular parts. You can combine them and make a new spaceship. So yeah. So hope you are enjoying. I will continue it in Unity and then Unreal. So thank you very much for being with me, and keep supporting me. Thank you. Hi everyone. I welcome you in the part 2 of the Unity, part 2 of the Modular Spaceship 2 project. So here you can see the spaceship. There are 5 spaceship as you see in the Substance Painter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can see it from this angle. So I just made a galaxy scene, kind of a night scene, space scene. So it's looking very good, I think. And in the content you can find the FPX, the actual model of the spaceship. Then you can find here is okay. Here is I'm looking for the texture. Okay. here is the textures. So as you can see here, all the textures are 4K, 4K. So it comes with the relevant textures, and also here you can find the material. The materials are set here. Okay. So, and also you can find here, by the way, this is HDRP, Unity HDRP. So you can find here the 5 spaceship I'm talking about. So as a prefab of the game, so of the project. So if I can go for the maximize view, you can find it's a very good looking view, I think. So you can find here, this is the back side, and yeah, this is the back side. The engine are firing up and ready to go, and as you can see, also here this. So you can, with the modular pack, you can build up your spaceship according to your needs actually. I'm looking about the parts. Okay, yeah. So you can, what you can do, you can increase the, all the parts are segmented. So you can, this is the head part, this is the body, middle part, this is the body part. As you can see, this is the ring part. So you can, yeah, you can play with that. Yeah, I can do this. So all the parts are separatable. All the engine part, this one is the engine, you can do a separate one. So yeah, so I think you get the idea. You can increase the length, width, or whatever you can do, you want to do, whatever you want to modify your spaceship, like you can do. Okay, so this is from the Unity HDRP. So from the bottom part, looking very good. Yeah, I think it's looking very good. So if you need this asset, you just contact with me. You can purchase it from my asset store, and if you need this, you can contact with me directly. You can text me directly, or approach me through the text message, or through the through texting, or even you can email me for this asset. So I'm building modular pack series of the spaceship. So this is number two. You have 5, yeah, so I guess every number has a 5 category, 5 section of the spaceship. So previously there was spaceship 1, spaceship 2. This is number 2. So yeah, this is fully game ready. So buy from here. So you will have the last part is from the Unreal Engine. So I hope you were enjoying. So you will enjoy the last part also. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. I welcome you all in the Spaceship 2 modular pack Unreal Engine project. So you can see here the game ready modular pack 2 Spaceship 2 project in the Unreal. So here you can see I just create a simple scene, and I love to, just for the I just remove the plane and kind of a create the same environment, like just remove the plane, bottom plane or a platform plane. So here you can see the 5 spaceship, 1 2 3 4 5, and they are looking pretty good. I think the emissive material is like a glowing, it's like you know, a very good looking glow. So it's like it's firing up the engine and going, it's ready to go for an, you know, far away galaxy. So here you can see the actual FBX is there in the content drawer, and also you can find the textures. The textures are all 4K, by the way. You can see 4K, 4096 by 4096, and the material, yeah, you can see here the material section. So the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 materials. So if I go for the, let's say, the engine section or a head section, so the material is like this. You have base color, you have a combination of combined map of roughness, metallic, and ambient occlusion. You have a normal map and also emissive. So you can, with the parameters, you can modify the emissive value. So this is the simple material section. Okay, so you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 material section here. Okay, and as I said earlier, that you can arrange your spaceship according to your needs. Not like you have to confine with these 5, but you can make your own spaceship. If I make a full extent view, you can see they are looking very good, I think. And emissive and material, all the materials is working nicely. So you can look it from the bottom side. Yeah, they are stationed in a sky, just like this. But oh, I use a little bit of post-processing for this one, kind of a bloom, emissive, and you can find a like a little bit of god ray or something. You can find here as I am moving my you know, yeah, you can see, yeah, as I moving my cursor here. So yeah, looking so nice, I think. So yeah, so guys, this is it from me, from the Unreal Engine 5.3. so you can use this asset in your project, and you can purchase it. You can directly contact with me and for this one, or you can go in my asset store and you can purchase it for your projects. So thank you. I think this is all. Thank you for your support, and keep supporting me, and keep viewing my project. And if you have any questions, you just contact with me. I will be glad to hear from you. Thank you very much.